BCCI President N. Srinivasan is all set to attend the ICC crucial meeting at the end of this month. He has got the go-ahead from the BCCI to represent India at the meeting from the 24th of June in London. Srinivasan, remember, was forced to step aside following allegations of betting against his son-in-law, but is expected to have his name formalized by the BCCI on Thursday. We have Harini reporting on the story. Harini, give us the details. What exactly will be his role when he will be attending this crucial meeting? And secondly, how did the BCCI in the first place give him a go-ahead to go to London for this meeting?
Well, what we're hearing at this point of time is that BCCI office bearers, that includes some of the core members of the board members, they are likely to have a meeting where they are going to finalize the name of Mr. Srinivasan to represent the BCCI at the crucial ICC meeting. What we are being told is while there are some of the associate board members who are against Mr. Srinivasan representing the BCCI, but most of the senior office bearers of the board do believe that BCCI needs a strong representation at the crucial ICC meeting, because it is going to be the meeting which is going to likely to move the proposal of making the contentious decision review system mandatory for all the boards. Now, that is something that BCCI has been against, and they do believe at this point of time, while Srinivasan has attended most of the meetings in past opposing the DRS, he is the right man who could continue and block the move of ICC to make a decision review system mandatory.
Right now, tell us how much of consent does Mr. Dalmia has he given to this entire move? Because obviously earlier he had advised Mr. Srinivasan to not go ahead and attend the meeting at ICC, but we understand that Mr. Srinivasan expressed his desire to go to London and oppose the implementation of DRS. So how much how much consent have the board members of the BCCI given to this particular move?
Well, we do know that there are going to be a couple of meetings apart from the subcommittees of the ICC, which are going to be meeting in London. Now, what we do know is that there is going to be a crucial informal meeting between the top office bearers of the BCCI. Mr. Srinivasan is all set at this point of time to attend the meeting, is what we're being told. However, the modalities of which meeting will he attend is yet to be decided. There is going to be a chief executive committee meeting. There is going to be the board meeting. Apart from these two key meetings, which are going to discuss the DRS, there are going to be subcommittee meetings. Now, the modalities are still being worked out. The meeting begins from July 24th, but it is going to be a very crucial meeting. And BCCI does not want at this point of time to send a new representative for this ICC meeting, because that clearly will hamper BCCI's position when it comes to the contentious decision review system. And it is likely that ICC could move a special proposal to make the decision review system mandatory, which is clearly what BCCI does not want. And that is why some of the senior members are of the opinion that to put forth a very strong voice of the BCCI to oppose this ICC move, there is no one better than Mr. Srinivasan, because he has previously attended the ICC meeting.